As the years go by, a man's body requires increasingly specific care. What many do not know is that diet can be a true ally in maintaining virility, energy, and even prolonging life. And here's the most interesting part. There are powerful fruits that provide exactly this support, boosting male potency and strengthening health naturally. But here's a warning, it's not enough to just eat any fruit. Some have specific properties that directly influence testosterone production, blood circulation, and cellular regeneration. And by the end of this video, you will discover a little-known fruit that can make all the difference in your vitality. So stay until the end, because this information could be the key to transforming your health and well-being. One of the most powerful fruits for male vitality as men age is pomegranate. This ancient fruit is considered a true elixir for health, and that is no coincidence. Rich in potent antioxidants, pomegranate helps combat free radicals that accelerate aging and impair blood circulation. And here's an important detail. Healthy circulation is essential for male potency, as it ensures that blood flow reaches all areas of the body properly, including those linked to virility. It's no wonder that studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can significantly improve erectile function in older men. Beyond its direct impact on circulation, pomegranate also plays a crucial role in testosterone production, the hormone responsible for energy, strength, and male desire. Over the years, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to fatigue, loss of muscle mass, and even a lack of motivation. However, the bioactive compounds in pomegranate naturally stimulate hormonal production, putting the body in a state of high performance. But the benefits of pomegranate are not limited to virility. It also protects against cardiovascular diseases, which become more common as men age. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of this fruit is its influence on longevity. Scientists have discovered that pomegranate contains a substance called urolithin A, which has the power to regenerate mitochondria, the energy-producing structures in cells. This means that pomegranate not only boosts energy levels, but can also slow down cellular aging, helping men live longer and remain active. Here's a crucial detail. To get all these benefits, it's important to consume pomegranate regularly, either as natural juice or by adding the seeds to meals. Small changes in diet can lead to significant impacts, and this is one of the smartest choices for those who want to maintain potency and vigor even as they age. Another extremely beneficial fruit for male potency and vitality in old age is the banana. It may seem simple, but its impact on men's health is enormous. Bananas are rich in potassium, an essential mineral for blood circulation and blood pressure control. When blood vessels are dilated and circulation flows without obstructions, oxygenation of the body improves, enhancing energy levels and even erectile function. Men who include bananas regularly in their diet tend to have healthier cardiovascular systems, which directly impacts virility and physical endurance. But bananas offer even more. They are one of the best natural sources of vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient for serotonin production, the feel-good hormone. As men age, many experience mood swings, fatigue, and even mild depression, which can affect libido and overall quality of life. Regular banana consumption helps regulate these brain chemicals, promoting a sense of energy and optimism. And when the mind is healthy, the body responds with more vitality, which is essential for maintaining performance and satisfaction in all areas of life. Additionally, bananas contain magnesium, an essential mineral for testosterone production. Since testosterone levels naturally decline over time, the magnesium in bananas helps minimize this loss, ensuring that the body continues to function at full strength. Here's something few people know. Bananas are also an excellent source of bromelain, an enzyme that has been linked to increased male desire. In other words, besides being practical and affordable, this fruit positively impacts multiple aspects of male health, making it an essential ally for those who want more potency, virility, and longevity. Another fruit that makes a huge difference in male potency and longevity is watermelon. Despite being known for its high water content and refreshing effect, few people know that watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that plays a key role in blood vessel dilation. This means that by consuming watermelon regularly, the body improves its circulation, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach all parts of the body, including those responsible for male potency. This effect is so impressive that watermelon has even been nicknamed natural Viagra, as it helps maintain vitality and erectile function in a completely healthy way. But the benefits of watermelon go far beyond that. It is one of the best fruits for heart health, as it contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against cardiovascular diseases. As men age, Arteries can lose elasticity, making blood flow more difficult and increasing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Watermelon consumption helps prevent these issues, promoting a more efficient cardiovascular system and preventing complications that affect energy and vitality in older men. Moreover, by keeping the heart strong and healthy, watermelon contributes to a longer and more active life. Another essential fruit for male potency, virility, and longevity is the avocado. Many underestimate this superfood, but avocado is true fuel for the body, especially for men who want to maintain energy and optimal health. The biggest benefit of avocado is its healthy fats, known as monounsaturated fatty acids, which help balance cholesterol levels and protect the heart. Since a healthy cardiovascular system is crucial for good circulation, regular avocado consumption directly enhances male potency, ensuring that blood flows freely throughout the body, including to areas responsible for performance. Avocado is also a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress and reduces inflammation. This is crucial because chronic inflammation is directly linked to testosterone decline, premature aging, and energy loss. Another major advantage is that avocado contains zinc, a mineral that plays a fundamental role in hormone production and maintaining male vitality. Additionally, avocado helps balance hormones and improves mental clarity and mood, making it a key food for men's well-being. A lesser-known but highly effective fruit for male vitality is guava. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for blood circulation and collagen production. This combination strengthens blood vessels, improves blood flow throughout the body, and directly benefits erectile function. Guava also regulates male hormones, especially testosterone, due to its zinc and magnesium content. By consuming this fruit regularly, the body naturally supports virility and prevents the negative effects of hormonal decline. A surprising fruit for male vitality is the purple grape. Its biggest secret lies in resveratrol, a natural antioxidant that improves blood circulation and helps regulate testosterone production. Regular consumption of purple grapes can enhance virility and overall longevity, ensuring better cardiovascular health and balanced energy levels. Now you know the 6 fruits that can transform your health, increase your potency, and guarantee longevity full of energy and vitality. Small habits make a huge difference. Start including these fruits in your daily routine and experience the benefits naturally.